Hello and welcome to the Minute Weekly Update. The S&P 500 fell 0.5% on Friday, Nasdaq down 1.23%. However, the Dow was up slightly 0.12%. All this amid concern about the escalation of the conflict in Israel and a drop in October consumer sentiments. New report shows October consumer sentiments plunged on inflation concerns. Thursday inflation number report showed prices in September rose roughly slightly the same as in August. However, the headline inflation remained sticky. Month to month, inflation rose 0.4%, matching the August increase. And basically, the CPI year over year rose only 3.7%. Meanwhile, gold prices jumped and the bond yields fell as investors looked to safe havens. The 10-year closed at 4.62% and the 2-year 5.05%. Better than expected quarterly result from the banks such as JP Morgan and Wells Fargo. JP Morgan 1.6% and Wells Fargo 3.1%. The conflict in Israel and a spike in oil prices dragged down shares of cruise lines. 30-year mortgage continued to increased to 7.57%. This is now highest since 2000, according to Freddie Mac. What to expect next week? Companies such as Tesla, Netflix, Johnson & Johnson, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, to name a few, will be reporting earnings next week. So a very big earnings week. On Tuesday, the U.S. Census Bureau will issue data on national retail sales for September, gauging the strength of the U.S. consumer spending. We will also get the latest update on the housing market, including September housing starts and existing home sales, and the NAHB's housing market index for October. Also importantly, in the banking arena, regional banks' earnings will be reported, something to watch. In other news, the House in disarray as the Republicans still fails to vote in Speaker of the House. And as mentioned earlier on, the Israeli and the Hamas war continues to escalate. We hope this will de-escalate and we have peace in the world. Thank you for listening and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.